What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on CRNT stock. First of all, brief summary for those of you who don't know what it is all about. Ceragon Networks engaged in the provision of wireless black hole solutions. Its products include radio units, management systems, small cell hauling, packet and hybrid microwave and long haul solutions. And its total market cap for now is $451.95 million. Here is their website, and as you can see, they serve several markets. They are mobile telecom, maritime, oil and gas, public safety, regional carriers and ISPs, and utilities. And on February the 8th, they have a report. They had a quarter report, and their financial results are not so good. For the full 2020 financial year, they have a revenue of $262.9 million, and they have operation loss of $7.6 million on GAAP basis, or $4.3 million on non-GAAP basis, and EPS is negative 0.21 per share per diluted share on GAAP basis, and negative $0.16 per diluted share on non-GAAP basis. After that, Ira Palti, the president and the CEO of this company, says, "At Ceragon, we have a history of benefiting from the transaction between wireless generations. First, as 2G moved to 3G, and later when 3G transitioned to 4G, and the new 5G technology builds momentum. We believe we will do again what we do best, leverage this transaction to take our company story to the next level." And here is institutional investors. By the way, all the links you will see in the description below. And we have several several latest feelings. We have Sandberg Joseph. They have 8 million shares, and they have a huge percentage of this company, 10% of ownership. And here we have several sell-offs and several buys. And as you can see, the latest data, only Millennium Management sold all of their shares. And let me see how many shares did they sell. They have less than 40,000 shares, and on November they sold almost 80% of them. So they just liquidated their position with this company, and I think it is totally okay. And for some of you, maybe this company is the most interesting across all the investors. Let me show you. ARK Investment Management, they add 78% to their position, and for now they have 653,000 shares, a little bit more than this number. And yeah, I think institutional investors are still buying, and ARK add to their position after this report, this not the best report in their history. And this means it is a good sign for the company. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. In this case, you won't miss my next video. So here is the chart, and we are on daily time frame. As you can see, here was our entry point, and we've up for now of about 20%. It's rather good, and our target price is up at 77% of profit, and the second one is up 98% of profit, of potential profit, and our stop loss is rather small. It's about 10%. So I'm good with this company. And here was the February the 8th, and after that the price went down for, let me show you, price went down for almost 17%. And I think it is a good sign that we still have higher high on the price movement and higher lows on the price movement. So this means we are on at least on 4-hour chart, we have a bullish trend. So here is the bigger picture, and it is not the quickest trade for these two setups. Nevertheless, let me show you one more tool. It is a Pitchfork, and I put the base of this Pitchfork from the lowest previous point, and then second point it is at top of this wave, and the third point it is the bottom of retracement. So, and the main rule is that as long as this pivot holds, I mean lowest pivot, we have 80% probability to hit the median line. And as you can see, if we take this point right here, we've already hit it. And if we take this point right here, we didn't hit it for now, and we have some room to hit it in the nearest future. So first target should be maybe on March the 10th or 9th, and the second target might be at the end of the March. So what should you do with this asset, with this stock? If you want to invest in this company, if you believe in 5G technologies, and if you believe in this company, basically they don't have something extremely disruptive in this across their technologies in this sector. But nevertheless, it is a good company, it is a good blue chips, and I think they can handle their position, they can handle all the losses for now, and this means that you can continue to hold this position and just invest each and every dip. So let me show you one more thing, how to invest in this trend. As you can see, we can have a strong, let me turn off these two. As you can see, we have this type of movement, and it is always will be something like this. How to handle this movement? So each and every move up has a move down, and in this point you can start to accumulate your position on a retracement wave down. Somewhere here, maybe next point will be here, and next point might be, I think, somewhere here. Your stop loss should be right at the previous pivot point. So if the price goes down, then you accumulate your position. If they break this pivot, you take your stop loss and try to find another entry point. Exactly the same situation with this movement. So if you want to invest, just put all the way down, put your limit orders all the way down, and here will be your stop loss right around this pivot. Let me mark it with red. And exactly the same you can do all over the price movement. So I think that's it for now. Just subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. In this case, you won't miss my next video. See you next time. Bye.